Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at What the Huck 2026. Got ourselves a fantastic looking plane. I think it's Extreme Flight if I'm correct. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Dave Michael with a time of 1 minute and 17 seconds. He is the winner of $200. Second place is Justin Reel with a time of 58.5 seconds. Double Steve with a time of 0 seconds.
Look at that. Look at that, folks. There's no hucking about it right there. That is one hucking landing. One hucking landing, folks. Hucking great. It's electric, too. All right, friends. More to come. Hi, friends. Welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host, Saul. We're here at 2026 What the Huck 3D event. And we're going to do another spot landing. So sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. Coming at an angle. Interesting technique here. Not coming down the runway, coming across the soybeans. Ooh, oh! I think he just got on the edge, ladies and gentlemen. Just on the edge there.
It's electric. I thought I hit the bottom. No, he hit the bottom. His left ear. You got the first wheel. The left ear on camera. Hit the bottom. Oh, I didn't.
Oh, no such luck, folks. Judges have saying no such luck on that one. That was a nice try, though. Great try. All right, friends. More to come.